Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today I will be comparing the DM99 with the DM98 Android smartwatch that both comes from China. And before we begin, if you guys have not already, please subscribe to my channel and you guys will find a lot more valuable content to the newest electronics, gadgets, and watches just like these, and I will be coming out with them regularly just for you. If you guys do proceed to purchase these watches after this video, you can use my affiliate links in the video description below and it will take you to trusted sources such as eBay or Amazon, and you will be able to purchase it there and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. So first up, let's begin. Now this is the DM98 smartwatch, which came a little before the DM99. So this actually came out first, okay? So this comes in a silicone band, a steel case, a 4-pin magnetic charger dock, a SIM card slot, and a 2.2-inch large screen touchscreen. With the DM99, you can see the difference is in the right. The immediate difference would be the watch band itself. This is made out of leather and related materials. It's not silicone, so you might be a little bit more careful if you want to take this around water, because leather could be ruined if you get quite a bit of splash on it. So that is the immediate difference. The other difference is, instead of I believe on the DM98 it's a bigger SIM card slot. On the DM99 it takes a nano SIM, so it's a smaller SIM card that it takes. Aside from that, let's check out some of the basic features on these watches. So let's check out some of the default faces that the DM98 comes with. So quite a few faces. Some of these faces look a little more old school because it did come out before, a few years before. On the DM99, you want to long press the home face, and that will take you to some of the faces that it comes with. I like the touchscreen of the DM99 a lot better because it feels less sticky, so you can actually browse a lot more efficiently. And you can see that the watch faces that it comes with, it's more in abundance comparing with the DM98, but it does include and it does overlap with some of the watch faces that it comes with in the DM98, and a lot more. If you want to check out some of the basic functions of these watches, you will want to right swipe from the home screen. So it looks different. It works differently with the DM99. So on the DM99, if you want to check out many of the other features, you would just simply want to right swipe, and you will find most of the functions available in one, long page. The DM98, you're going to have to navigate a little bit more to find these functions. I forgot how, but I remember that it is a little bit harder to navigate through. So you do have to read the instruction manual on and seeing how this works. But for the most part, the functions are about the same. I don't really see a notable difference between the functions of these two watches. So the main difference is by its looks and some of the default watch faces that it comes with. If I had to choose one of these, I would choose the DM99, that's for sure. It's more upgraded. the touchscreen's a little easier to navigate through. Like I said, it's just less sticky, so you can navigate through the screens a lot easier. And it seems like the functions are just in more intuitive places. Like I said, for example, if I right swipe and I want to see all the functions that this watch comes with, it's all within one page, one long page, and you just swipe through it. For the DM98, it was just not as intuitive. I have to actually hunt these functions down and seeing how it works. Both of these watches are capable of tracking fitness activity, so that's a plus. So if you're if you're just wearing these watches casually and you're out and about during your day and you still want to track your fitness data, that is definitely capable with both of these watches. One thing I do like about the DM98 is its silicone band, because it's just more durable in my opinion. It's not susceptible to water damage. The DM99 leather band is, as I have experience with other watches with the leather band. So it's just a lot more susceptible to water damage, but it's not too big of a deal. In terms of its looks, you can tell that the DM99 looks a lot cooler. It has the just the buttons around the edges. It makes it look a little more high tech and more upgraded than the DM98. So in this sense, for an extra $20-$30, I would choose the DM99 over the DM98 for the reasons I mentioned. And this concludes my short video of the comparison of the two. If you guys do proceed to purchase these watches, you can use my affiliate links in my video description below. It will take you to Amazon or eBay, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel, as I will be back with you with more content just like this. See you next time.